All right, folks, just want to share something with you. Got this GMC Terrain here, and my guy Josh is doing some rear brakes on it, rotors, pads, some calipers. Now the original calipers, you can see somebody got after them. They're wadded up, the boots are tore off, or at least on this one anyways. I guess I can show you, that's how it came into us. No brackets, but came with a new caliper now. I come over to help my guy swap over the parking brake motor. It's not a big deal, a couple of screws. And I just happened to look at it and I glanced down in the hole. Maybe you can see it. So this is where your banjo bolt goes. Typically, they got like a little plastic plug if you get them from Cardone or whoever. But GM and their engineers are tricky little guys because they put a plug way down inside there. And I'm pretty certain, I'm not 100% certain, but I think your brake hose and your banjo bolt, there's not a lot of threads there. It may have been able to go down in and tighten down and give you the sense that everything's all good so you don't have any brake fluid coming out. I guess what I'm getting at is have a little look-see, because look what that little tricky engineer did at GM. I bet he's laughing all the way to the bank when he made that plug. I could be wrong. Perhaps the banjo bolt doesn't go in far enough to tighten down. But that'd be pretty dang embarrassing to have that sucker still in there. Tighten down. Your brake pedal's hard and you got no fluid to the back. So anyhow, be warned. Watch out for them tricky engineers.